Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to set product type rental in Dokan Multivendor dashboard. So guys, here is my WordPress plus WooCommerce plus Dokan Multivendor website, and here is my vendor dashboard, and here is my products. I will open it, and now I will open one product, and I have set it rental. Like edit, here's my demo products, and here you can see the product type I have set rental. Here are more options as well: simple, variable, external, affiliate, group, and gift card. But I've selected rental. So guys, after it, I will show you front end section. Like in rental, we will see the two option, like from start date to end date. Like product rent, like start date is January 1 and end date is January 13. This means rental. And guys, and if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And guys, I will share the front end demo as well very soon. In the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.